This is my first impression of the SW Haimu MP tactile switches. Thanks to LoobedSwitches for sending these out. The switch has a mellow top-out sound with the palm top housing. The stem has a metal cap on the bottom, thus giving a very clean sound that's a bit reminiscent of the NK Cream Plus switches. In terms of tactility, I would classify this switch as a medium tactile switch. The UPE stem with the palm bottom housing combination gives a soft, mellow bottom out. There's a soft scratch to the switch, and like most tactile switches, there is a slight ping. The ping is not distracting while using it due to the decent factory lube process. Here's the sound test. Enjoy!